Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to chemistry online class. Today we are going to continue the reaction of, that is, aldehydes and ketones. So fifth reaction is, that is, addition of ammonia and its derivatives. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives. So carbonyl compounds C double bond O, okay, adds to derivatives of ammonia, that is NH2Z. Ammonia is NH3. So one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by this Z, where Z is equal to alkyl group. It may be alkyl group, that is, alkyl means methyl, ethyl, etc. Or aryl group. Aryl group means, that is, C6H5, phenyl group. Or it may be OH groups, or NH2, or C6H5NH, or NHCO, NH2 groups. So Z is replaced by alkyl, aryl, or hydroxy, amine, C6H5NH2, that is phenyl amine. So NHCO, NH2, semi-carboxyl groups, etc. To form the intermediate, that intermediate is C single bond OH connected to HNZ. This is the intermediate. This is a reversible reaction. Therefore, this reaction is catalyzed by acid. And finally, dehydration takes place. That is removal of water, takes place to form the product. That product is C double bond N connected to this Z plus H2O. So this is the final product formula. So based on this reaction, so we are going to explain some of the reactions of ammonia and its derivatives. So first reaction is A, reaction with ammonia. First one, reaction with ammonia. NH3. Carbonyl compounds. First, we are going to write general reaction. Carbonyl compounds C double bond O. So reacts with ammonia, that is NH2, to form the intermediate, that is C single bond OH connected to, so NH. So therefore dehydration takes place to form the product, that is single bond C double bond NH plus H2O. The product formed is called imine. So imine is formed. Carbon compounds reacts with ammonia. So the final product formed is imine. This is called imine. Okay. So we are going to study examples for this reaction. Examples. If you give carbonyl compounds, that is aldehyde, take acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde reacts with ammonia. To form the intermediate CH3C single bond CH connected to OH connected to H single bond NH. So finally dehydration takes place to form, that is intermediate CH3 single bond CH double bond NH plus H2O. This is acetaldehyde. So this imine is called acetaldehyde. So likewise, if you take ketone, that is acetone CH3C double bond O connected to single bond C3. This is acetone. So reacts with ammonia NH3 to form the intermediate CH3C single bond CH3 single bond OH single bond H NH. Finally, dehydration takes place to give CH3C single bond CH3 double bond. So NH plus H2O. The product formed is called acetone imine. Acetone imine. That is acetyl imine. This is acetone imine. So aldehydes and ketones reacts with ammonia to form imine. So this is first reaction, that is reaction with ammonia. Second reaction, that is B. Reaction with amine. Reaction with amine, that is NH2. Reaction with amine or NH2. Okay. Aldehydes and ketones, carbonyl compounds, reacts with amine, that is H, NH, or to form the intermediate C single bond OH single bond NH connected to H, and finally dehydration takes place to form the intermediate, that is N connected to R plus H2O. N connected to R plus H2O. This is substituted imines. The product format is called as substituted imines. So popularly called as Schiff's base. SCHIFF apostrophe S. Schiff's base. So Schiff's base is formed. Okay, if you study the example for this reaction, so take aldehydes, so that is acetaldehyde, CH3C double bond O connected to H. Acetaldehyde reacts with, that is H, NH, CH3, methylamine. This is methylamine, CH3, NH2. Okay, to give the intermediate C single bond O single bond C single bond OH, sorry, CH3 single bond C single bond H connected to single bond OH connected to single bond NH connected to CH3. Finally, dehydration takes place. To give CH3CH double bond N connected to CH3 plus H2O. This is the imine. This imine is called Schiff's base. Schiff's base. Okay, second example. If you take acetone, CH3, C double bond O connected to CH3 plus methylamine, H, NH connected to CH3. So giving rise to intermediate CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 single bond OH single bond NH connected to CH3, and finally dehydration takes place to give the product. That the product is CH3C single bond CH3 double bond N connected to CH3 plus H2O. The product format is called as imine. This imine is nothing but Schiff's base. This is also Schiff's base. This is reaction with amine. So next, third reaction is third reaction C. is reaction with hydroxylamine. Reaction with hydroxylamine, that is NH2, right? So formula for hydroxylamine is reaction with hydroxylamine NH2 white. So this is important. Already they have asked in the annual examination question paper. So carbonyl compounds. So reacts with hydroxylamine. So NH2 white to form the intermediate. That is single bond C, single bond OH, single bond H connected to N, single bond OH. Okay, and finally dehydration takes place to form the product, that is removal of, so water will take place, and finally product is single bond C connected to double bond N connected to OH plus H2O. So the product formed is called oxime. So this is oxime. That is C double bond N connected to which is called oxime. So example for this reaction is, if you take acetaldehyde, CH3 C double bond O connected to single bond H. Acetaldehyde reacts with hydroxylamine. To form the intermediate, that is CH3 single bond C connected to single bond H connected to single bond OH connected to single bond HN connected to OH, and finally so dehydration takes place to form the product CH3 single bond CH double bond N connected to OH plus H2O. The product formed is called as acetal oxime. The product formed is called acetal oxime. So in the annual question paper, they will ask CH3CHO plus NH2OH. So arrow mark, question mark. So you should